Hello, welcome to Habi Dominicana. I'm Rina Padilla. I'm responsible of the office in the Dominican Republic. Habi is a Norwegian company with more than 150 years of uninterrupted work in the real estate, metal factories, air conditioners, and hotels worldwide. During the last 12 years, Habi Dominicana has been focused on the development of real estate projects as holidays real estate and second homes in the area of Sosua and Cabarete, located on the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Let me tell you a little about our company and introduce you to our staff. Let's just take a quick look to our office. In this area, you will be received by Christian Grullon, our rental and customer service agent. He's always able to help you with all your needs. Jahaira Burgos is taking care of the accounting system and takes care of all reports needed in the rental process. Elida Rosario is our project manager. She is taking care of the entire administration and rental process of the properties in our company. Denny Brito is our real estate agent. With his knowledge in this area, he will help you find the right property. Abraham Perez is our customer support and is in charge of the check-in and check-out process in the rentals. In this area, you will find some of our models of the projects that has been developed at the moment and our conference rooms for meetings. If you're looking for a more personal experience with selling, buying, or renting a property, our team can help you with your real estate needs anywhere in the North Coast.